So, what is the Bible? You see, the Bible isn't just a single book. It is a whole library of books. In fact, there are 66 books in this little Bible over here, written over 1,000 years by different authors, yet they all point to the same truth. It tells the grand story of God's relationship with humanity, and it's divided into two sections, the Old Testament and the New Testament. You see, the Old Testament was written by the prophets, and it tells the story of creation, the fall of man, and God's promise to send the Savior, the Messiah. It follows Israel's journey to their kings, their exile, and their deep longing for salvation. And then we get to the New Testament. This was written by the apostles and other eyewitnesses. You see, it revealed how Jesus Christ is the fulfillment of that promise. It records his life, his death, and resurrection, and how his followers continue his mission.